Welcome back. There is a bitter war of words between the West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar and TMC MP Mahua Moitra. This after the governor summoned the chief secretary over post-poll violence. The governor called the state's law and order situation extremely alarming. Reacting to this, the TMP MP called him Uncle Ji and accused him of nepotism. Reacting to Mahua Moitra's allegations, Jagdeep Dhankar called it factually wrong. In a tweet, Dhankar said none of the officials on special duty are part of his close family and are from 3 states. Mahua Moitra again asked the governor to reveal the antecedents of the appointees. She took a jibe saying that Dhankar is doing all this for the country's vice president's post. The war of words began after Dhankar asked the chief secretary to brief him on steps being taken to contain the post-poll violence in the state. Mahua Moitra then accused the governor of nepotism. This comes after 51 crude bombs were discovered in a bag near the BJP office in Kolkata yesterday.
एक तो वो गवर्नर के पद में बैठे हुए हैं, उनको शोभा देते हैं कि मेरे इसमें ऐसे टाइप के रिप्लाई करना, और मेन जो चीज़ है वो आके बता दे कि ये जो 6 लोग हैं वो राजभवन में एंट्री प्रवेश कैसे हुए। ये आपने सरासर झूठ कहा है कि आपसे इनका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है, ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के अपॉइंटी नहीं है, ये सब सारे आपने वहाँ पे जुगाड़ किया है। आपके एक्स एडीसी के रिलेटिव्स है और खुद आपके रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड जो भी हो, मतलब आपने वहाँ पे जाके इकट्ठा अपना ये टैक्स पेयर के चक्कर में बनाया है।
इतनी अराजकता, इतनी एनार्की, इतना अहंकार तो हमने कभी आज तक इस देश के लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था में तो नहीं देखा। मुझे तो कहीं कभी लगता है कि जो संवैधानिक संस्थाएं हैं, संविधान है, उसको तृणमूल कांग्रेस और उसकी सरकार की अराजकता हाईजैक करना चाहती है, वो हो नहीं सकेगा।
India Today's Prema Rajaram now joins me for more on the story. Prema, put this in context. Violence, bombs being found, governor says situation is alarming. This response, what triggered all of this?
It was about the 51 bombs that were found 100 meters away from the BJP party office, which somewhere prompted the BJP to say that there could be a possibility of an attack on the party office. But on the same day, there was a tweet by Mahua Moitra and by the governor. The governor had first come out and spoken about the post-poll violence and sought a report from the West Bengal Chief Secretary, and the West Bengal Chief Secretary was expected to give the report by today, but there is no word on whether he will be meeting the governor on this. On the same day, we saw Mahua Moitra hitting out at the governor on nepotism charges, saying that 6 of the officers on special duty with the governor are related to the governor or are close to the governor. Now, the governor has rubbished those charges. However, when we spoke to the Trinamool Congress, they are not convinced with the governor's reply and say that he must explain. Nepotism does not just mean that it has to be a relative, but it has to be favoring somebody who's close to the governor. So the battle continues between the TMC and the governor. Back to you.
Okay. What about the 51 bombs that were found? Is there any response to how they came there, who planted them, what have investigations revealed? Has the chief secretary responded to the extremely alarming, as the governor puts it, the situation in the state?
Same day that the bombs were recovered, the governor had put out the tweet, had spoken about post-poll violence, and in fact now when he responds to the tweet of Mahua Moitra, he also says that this is TMC's way of diverting attention from the actual issue, which is post-poll violence. Now, when where the bombs are concerned, the anti-rowdy squad of the detective department of Kolkata Police had recovered these bombs, but they're looking at CCTV footage to see who the 3 miscreants were who left the bombs there. There is no word as yet as to what they have found, but they're looking at all possible angles to see what was the reason that it was kept at that very location, which is not very far from the BJP party office. Back to you, Gaurav.
Prema, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. The anti-rowdy squad of the Kolkata police recovered 51 crude bombs near the Bharatiya Janata Party office. The bombs were filled in a bag. They were discovered by the police late last night. The explosives were about 100 meters from the BJP office. We bring you this report.
After assembly election results, West Bengal witnessed widespread post-poll violence. The matter became so ugly that the Supreme Court issued notice to the centre and Bengal government seeking directions to stop the violence in the state. And note, now days later, things are taking an alarming turn. At least 51 crude bombs were recovered from Khidirpur crossing in Kolkata, very near to the BJP office on Saturday evening. The anti-rowdy branch of the West Bengal Police made the explosive recoveries following a tip-off from the military intelligence. The explosives were filled in 4 sacks which were found lying close to each other. The bomb defusing team neutralized the explosives, averting any mishap.
After getting intelligence inputs from the army, from the BJP, saying that it could be a plan to have attacked the BJP office because many other offices in the state have been attacked after the West Bengal Assembly elections. But this is what the BJP has to say. The investigators still looking at all possible angles into this case.
It is not yet known who placed the bombs and what the motive was. But BJP alleged lawlessness across the state and has accused TMC for starting bomb factories.
इस देश की जनता ने जिस पार्टी को भारत की सत्ता थमा दिया, जिसका हाथ पर, जो पश्चिम बंगाल में प्रमुख विरोधी दल है, आज उसी का राज्य पार्टी ऑफिस का सिर्फ 100 मीटर का भीतर 64 बोमा, एक इम्पोर्टेंट रास्ता का ऊपर जिस जगह में वीआईपी मूवमेंट चलते रहते हैं, कैसे पहुंच गया? ये कोई साधारण समाज विरोधी तत्व को तो काम नहीं हो सकते। कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का अगर मदद छोड़ के ऐसा काम कभी होता नहीं।
পশ্চিম বাংলাতে এখন বড় শিল্প একটা বোমা শিল্প। এই যে জেলায় জেলায় আমাদের পার্টি অফিসে বোমা মারা হচ্ছে, কর্মীদের বাড়িতে মারা হচ্ছে, একটা ভয়ের পরিবেশ তৈরি করা হচ্ছে। তো প্রশাসনের যে ঢিলেমি, আমার মনে হয় তার জন্য ঘটনাগুলো ঘটছে।
West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar too slammed CM Mamta Banerjee, expressing shock over alleged unabated violence and attack plots. Dhankar had taken up post-poll attack on BJP workers with CM Mamta Banerjee immediately after administering her oath.
Our first priority is we must bring end to this senseless violence.
The hit back at the governor, asking him not to misuse his constitutional post. It also blamed BJP for dumping bombs brought in by outsiders during polls. After face-off over Mamta allegedly skipping PM Modi's cyclone meet, will post-poll violence and bad blood continue to shadow Centre Bengal ties? With Prema Rajaram,